Hi YouTube, and this is my wolf versus bunny. If you play Animal Jam, you see there's wolves and bunnies. So, want to start? And Joe, close your eyes real quick. Okay, let's
You can't use Nerf guns.
I don't have a Nerf gun.
Oh, Nerf bullet!
No, it's not a Nerf bullet. Don't tell him if you subscribe. It's not a Nerf bullet, okay?
Close your eyes.
Okay, wanna start? Set, go.
Ow, you can only use paws.
Oh, paws?
Yeah.
No, wait. You can't use weapons. I can use my tail.
Whack! Whack!
Yeah, you don't have my tail.
Boom!
Stop. Pause. Stop.
Stop recording.
No. Joe, move. Move your butt.
You are not doing Morty.
Yes, I am. I'm Marty. No. I said only pause, and that means only your turn. I said, I got the rules.
Get out of my way.
Get out of the spotlight's mine.
Afro circus, Afro circus.
Pull me up. There. Ow! Afro. You mean no?
Oh, day.
Wolves.
He's gonna jump on me from the behind.
I get to run super fast. Why? I was hurt. Boom! It blew you up. Oh. Okay, Stop. Stop.
You start the video now. Subscribe if you want. Subscribe.
Ow! Subscribe for the puppy! Subscribe! You're never gonna... I want to become rich!
You won't become rich if somebody describes you.
I said subscribe, not describe.